Let's have a look at some examples of nuclear charge and shielding. For our first example, please explain why chlorine's radius is smaller than that of sulfur. Remember, chlorine and sulfur are in the same period. That means they have the same number of electron energy levels. However, chlorine has a higher nuclear charge than sulfur, which makes its protons more easily pull in the electrons. Therefore, the atom's radius is smaller. Now, tell me, why is the ionization energy of barium smaller than that of strontium? Well, barium and strontium are in the same group. That means they have the same number of valence electrons. Since barium has one more energy level than strontium, its valence electrons are further away, and shielding occurs due to the electrons in the inner shell. That keeps the nucleus from exerting its full attraction. It takes less energy to remove barium's valence electrons for this reason. Now, tell me, how is it that lead has more metallic character than tin? Well, first of all, lead and tin are in the same group of the periodic table. Lead has one more energy level than tin. That means that lead's valence electrons are further from and very shielded from the nucleus. This means that lead is more willing and able to lose electrons compared to tin. Finally, explain why fluorine's electronegativity is higher than that of oxygen. Well, first of all, we know that fluorine and oxygen are in the same period, which means that their valence electrons are in the same energy level or shell. Because fluorine has a higher nuclear charge, its nucleus will exert a stronger attractive force on the valence electrons, attracting them more strongly than in oxygen. There is no additional shielding in either atom because they each have a single inner electron shell holding 2 electrons. Make sure you understand how elements in the same group will have varying properties based on the nuclear shielding due to having more or less inner electron shells versus elements in the same row or period which have the same number of inner electrons, and therefore their properties depend on the nuclear charge.